Hello, scientists. So you should just have finished reading in your textbook the pages that were all about states of matter changes. We can also call that phase changes when a state of matter, a solid, for example, changes from a solid into a liquid, or from a liquid into a gas, or the reverse, from a gas to a liquid, or liquid to solid. So I'm going to be showing you a simulation of how this works so that you could see the atoms or molecules in action. And what I'd like you to do to prove to me that you watched the entire video is make a list of secret words. There are 4 secret words for this video, and you're going to type up the list and add it to the end of your 5-sentence summary of this reading homework, and then you're going to submit your assignment. So the first part of your assignment is the 5-sentence summary, and then after the 5-sentence summary, in the same area, you're going to write these 4 secret words, and then you'll get full credit for this assignment. Okay, so the first secret word is number 1, bubble, B-U-B-B-L-E. Make sure you write it down somewhere. All right, so if you can see my screen right here, these are a bunch of neon atoms, okay? They look very similar to the ones that we drew in our States of Matter foldable that we did in class. And as you can see, it's in what phase or what state of matter? They're all together. They're jiggling ever so slightly in place. It's a solid, okay? This is solid neon. And you can see it's not taking the shape of the container, and it's all the way at the bottom of the container. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some heat. When we heat up, okay, just a little bit, you can see the temperature right here, 24 Kelvin. I'm going to add a little bit more heat. You can see the neon atoms right here, they're starting to change. I'm adding heat energy, and so each individual atom is basically getting more energy added to it, which makes it move a little bit faster. That's what atoms do when you add heat energy. They move faster. And so is it a liquid yet? Maybe not quite. It's getting there. And then maybe some of these ones right here, they're like, kind of evaporating already into a gas. Let's add a little bit more heat. Okay, you can see this is now 29 Kelvin. It started at 23, I think. And now, oh, maybe I made it a little too hot. Now it's acting more like which state of matter? It's acting more like a liquid, okay? So now it's like filling the bottom of the container. They're moving a little bit faster than they were when they were in a solid. And yeah, this is what it would look like as a liquid form, okay? The second secret word is cupcake. C-U-P-C-A-K-E. Make sure you write it down. Okay, but look, let's say that we're in a liquid phase or liquid state, and I'm going to remove heat, and I'm going to do that by adding some ice, cooling it down. Oh, wow, you can see right away the atoms are sticking back together, and it got really low temperature, 3 Kelvin. Are they still moving though? Yes, they are moving ever so slightly. The solid is a different shape than it was before because we melted it into a liquid and froze it back into a solid. Okay, but did the atoms move slower or faster once we remove the heat? Slower, right? They move way slower once we remove the heat. Okay, so I'm going to heat up this solid and turn it back into a liquid. Okay, look at the temperature going up, going up. And we're kind of in between a liquid and a gas phase. Let's heat it up a lot. We're going to heat it up until this liquid turns into a gas. And wow, look at those atoms go. I want you to try to keep your eyeball on one single atom and see if you could follow it. It's going to get harder and harder as the temperature increases, because as we add more heat to this, that's going to cause the neon atoms to move faster and faster and faster. Okay, so there we go. It's been a gas state for quite a while now, but now it's really a gas. It's real hot, 148 Kelvin. And the third secret word is seagull. S-E-A-G-U-L-L, seagull. Okay, make sure you write it down. And yeah, that's it. So this is a gas, okay? Oh, look at this pump. We can add more molecules. Can you see them coming out into the container? And then, okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to cool down the gas. We're going to remove the heat, and that's going to cause the molecules to slow back down and condense into a liquid again. It's going to take some more time. Okay, if you have ever stepped out in the morning on a cold, cold morning, okay, and you look at your grass or you look at your car, if you're about to get in your car, or you look at anything that's outside, that was outside overnight, it may be wet. There might be morning dew on the grass. And that's because this happened, this phase change, condensation. So what happened was all of the water vapor that's in the air all around us, it was in the gas state, but what happened overnight is the temperature got really cold and the heat was removed from each of those individual water molecules that are in the air outside, and that caused them to slow down. And they slowed down so much that they turned back into a liquid form and stuck to the side of your car or to each blade of grass. Okay, so that's what I wanted you to watch, this simulation for homework in addition to your reading that you did. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. The fourth secret word is trumpet, like the instrument, trumpet, T-R-U-M-P-E-T. All right, make sure you submit your 4 secret words along with your reading. Please do not share the secret words with any other students, and I'll see you in class. Thank you very much.